You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Welcome to our in-depth review of the Vivo S20 Pro, a smartphone that enters the market with flagship-grade imaging features and a mid-range price. Today, we're diving deep into its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and more. Let's find out if this is the perfect phone for you. The Vivo S20 Pro offers a well-thought-out unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find a powerful 90 watts fast charger, a USB-C cable, a clear protective case. Vivo ensures you have everything you need to start using the phone right out of the box. The design of the Vivo S20 Pro is nothing short of stunning. Our review unit comes in a beautiful shade called Purple Horizon. Look at how the light plays off its shimmering, textured back. It resembles flowing sand, giving it a mesmerizing 3D effect. Vivo also offers two more color options. Gold, a bold, vibrant choice for those who love to stand out. Black, a classic and understated design, perfect for a professional look. However, there's a catch. The glossy plastic frame feels less premium and is prone to fingerprints and scratches. But no worries, Vivo includes a clear case in the box to keep your phone looking pristine. The phone is also rated IP64, so it's protected against dust and minor water splashes. The Vivo S20 Pro comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. You can switch between 60Hz and 120Hz depending on whether you want smoother visuals or better battery life. The screen's peak brightness is impressive, making it easy to use outdoors, even under bright sunlight. Colors are vibrant, and the sharpness is top-notch, making this display perfect for watching videos or playing games. Vivo also includes an in-display fingerprint sensor. While setting it up might feel a bit slow, it's reliable and secure for everyday use. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo S20 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. Whether you're multitasking, scrolling, or gaming, this phone handles it all effortlessly. Games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact run smoothly, even at high frame rates. The phone's thermal management system keeps it cool during extended gaming sessions. The dual speakers provide clear and loud audio. While audiophiles might find the bass a bit lacking, for casual media consumption, they're more than adequate. Now, let's talk about the Vivo S20 Pro's standout feature, its camera system. You get ultra-wide lens, standard wide-angle lens, telephoto lens, a 100mm portrait lens. When it comes to portrait photography, the Vivo S20 Pro outshines competitors like the OnePlus 13 and Xiaomi 15. Its 100mm telephoto lens delivers vibrant, lifelike images with excellent background separation. The night mode is equally impressive, capturing stunning detail with minimal noise. Whether it's a cityscape or a candlelit dinner, this phone ensures your shots look professional. Video. Vloggers and content creators will love the Vivo S20 Pro. It supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS on both the front and rear cameras. There's even a teleprompter feature to help you deliver smooth, scripted videos. For stabilized videos, the resolution is limited to 4K 30 FPS, but the results are steady and clear. The 500 mAh battery might seem slightly smaller than the standard model, but it holds up well in real-world use. You'll get around 7 hours of screen-on time with dual SIM 5G active, over 8 hours of light use like texting and streaming. The included 90-watt charger can fully charge the phone in just 45 minutes. It's also versatile, supporting PPS and PD standards for charging other devices. Weighing just 191.6 grams, the Vivo S20 Pro is comfortable to use. Its AI-powered features make photo and video editing intuitive, while the Live Photos feature adds motion and sound to still images, perfect for capturing memories in a unique way. Feedback during typing and gaming is good, but might not satisfy users who prefer more pronounced vibrations. Pros: exceptional portrait photography with a versatile focal range, lightweight and ergonomic design, bright AMOLED display with a smooth refresh rate, fast 90-watt charging, reliable performance for gaming and multitasking. Cons: glossy plastic frame prone to fingerprints and scratches. Large camera module may affect grip, occasional over-sharpening in photos. Vivo S20 Pro is a feature-packed smartphone that delivers exceptional value for its price. Its flagship-grade camera system, lightweight design, and fast charging make it a strong contender in the mid-range market. If photography, design, and battery efficiency are your priorities, the Vivo S20 Pro is worth considering. For budget-conscious buyers, waiting for a price drop could make it an even sweeter deal. That wraps up our Vivo S20 Pro review. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you never miss any of our awesome tech videos.
Once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take